wonderful viewers. It's your girl Ruthlin, and this is Daily Kitchen Makings. If you're hearing my voice for the first time, hooray! Welcome to my channel. Please like the video, comment, and hit the notification bell so that you will know when I post new videos. And please subscribe to the channel so that it will continue to help the channel to grow. And to my returning subscribers at Deborah L9S, at James McLean 2829, at Obadiah Mokoro 6512, at Shelly Debian 2974, at Esther Ojo B8C. I see you all. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate. And to the rest of my subscribers not mentioned here, thank you for your support as well. I love you all. Today's video, I'll be making this sumptuous pepper turkey that you see here. So let's dive right into the video. These are the ingredients that I'll be using to make the pepper turkey. And we have blended Scotch bonnet pepper and cayenne pepper. We have curry powder, thyme, blended pepper and tomato with ginger and garlic. We have crushed bouillon cubes, chili flakes, all-purpose seasoning, suya spice, chicken seasoning, garlic powder, ginger powder, and of course we have our onion and turkey. So here I'm putting all the ingredients listed out into the turkey in order to season the turkey, and then I'm going to bring this to a boil. Turkey meat, which is commonly referred to as just turkey, has several potential health benefits. Turkey is a protein-rich food, and protein is important for muscle growth and maintenance. It also gives structure to cells and helps transport nutrients around your body. So here, I'm waiting for the oil to get heated up so that I can fry the turkey after boiling it. And here, I am frying the turkey. Now I'm taking the fried turkey out of the oil. My wonderful viewers, if you watched this video up to this point, please subscribe. Thank you. So now I'm heating up this oil in order to make the pepper sauce for the turkey. And I'm using the ingredients which I listed out earlier. When the oil got hot, I put in the onions, curry powder. I also added some thyme, the blended scotch bonnet and cayenne pepper, chili flakes, blended tomato and pepper with ginger and garlic. And now I'm adding my seasonings, garlic powder, ginger powder, seasoning cubes that's already crushed. And now, and now I'm adding the fried turkey into the peppered sauce. And continuing my talk about the health benefits of the turkey meat, turkey is a particularly rich source of B vitamins. Speaking about vitamins B3, B6, and B12. And vitamin B3 is important for efficient energy production and cell communication. Vitamin B6, on the other hand, supports amino acid formation and helps produce neurotransmitters. And speaking about vitamin B12, it is vital for DNA production and formation of red blood cells. So here I am adding green bell pepper and onion. Now our pepper turkey is ready. Hmm. Pairing this pepper turkey with a chilled bottle of fruit juice would be nice. What do you think? Please tell me in the comment section. All my wonderful viewers, please like the video, comment, hit the notification bell so that you will know when I post new videos. And please subscribe to the channel so that it will continue to help the channel to grow. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.